take it to the floor. Ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ. Play a song of this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she did.
Good morning, LU! Hello! So, kasama ko yung mga ka-workmates ko. Ayan, si Ate Eka, Ate Lita, si Ate Glenn. So, nagkakapsaya. Si Glenn nawala. Narinig niyo ba ako? Si Glenn nawala eh. Pero ko nag-ano siya, picture-picture din somewhere. First namin. Ayan. Okay. Tapos yung view namin, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my God! Ito mga aso, oh. Oo, ayaw ko nga. So, ayun nga, thank you for introducing the restaurant, no? Lola Mendings. So yun guys, nandito kami sa Baluarte Watchtower. Ayan, tapos ito yung Pebble Beach. Ganda dito, napakakalmado. And second time na ako nakapunta rito. Ganun pa din, walang pagbabago. So ganda pa din. And here's my Ate Linda! Iba na yung kasama ko. Last time, di ba, yung asawa ko. Ganda yan sa Ate Linda. Guys, maganda yan. Tapos, ayun! Wait lang, ito. Ayan! Tayo na, next. O yun guys, samaya na lang ulit. Buyers! Naglilibot siya dun eh. Yeah. Hello! Meet Clay and Ate Eka! The hot mama. Mama mo. Mama mo.
Our ate in
Oh,
our second destination.
Yeah, saan to? Sige.
Na magpakpakan! Simbahan ng Santa Camila.
Yan guys. Mag-wish tayo ulit. Ay, picture daw. Ay na ba to guys?
Sa loob.
Ay, tapos. Sige lang ba? Pebble Beach. Galing na rin kami ni JC dito before. In 2023. Hindi kami lumabas ng init kasi. So ngayon eh. Ang ganda ng dagat. Hi babe. If you're watching, I hope you were here. Ganda. Miss you. Bahay ng bato na tayo. Ganda. ka. Ang ganda dito sa taas, guys. Wow, yun o. Aura, aura. Tapos ito yung baba. So, puro pebbles. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Pagod na ako, guys. Man-made forest.
May ano po yun? Ilocos lang? Or
Sa merienda kami. Kari-kari favorite ni Glay. And ayun sina ate. Yan. Lunch time. Lunch time. Ayun si Glay girl. Nagalit away. Yan. Guys, ang sarap, legit. Anong, ano mo? Rate 1 to 10? 10. 10 yan. 10 yan, guys. Sarap. Punta kayo dito. Merienda. Sarap. Sarap. Coco mama.
Ay, ate, sorry.
Sa Coco mama kami. Coco mama. Thank you. Coco mama.
Picture lang
La Union. Sila, ano? Aura, pak! Yan. Si Mama Eke, ang wild eh. Ganda nung alon. Diba ano na? Okay. Punta kami sa Flotsam and Jetsam. Tapos ito daw yung iconic na 7-Elevens dito sa La Union. Ayan. So, ito yung mga pwedeng kainan. Dito kami papasok, diba? Papunta sa amin, tapos kakanan. Sige! Guys, so nakita nyo yun, may namumuna. Charot. Ayan, maraming kainan dito. May andoks doon, no? Yun, no? Nakikita nyo. Ay, nakaraw yung bus. Ayan, may antoks dyan. Vegan? Vegan. Tara, sakay tayo! Guys, vegan! Ito, Silong LU. Kain. Pangasinan din yan. Mga tapsilogan ata yan. Ay, ito. Tapsilogan. Yan. Mente isa. Papunta sa Plotsa. So, andito na kami sa Flotsam Jetsam. Ito na yung entrance, guys. Let's go! Strictly no outside food. Okay. Di parang may kapareho ka ng damit nun, no?
Good evening. Pagtik lang.
Ay, parang walang tao. O, nasa loob.
Good evening po.
Oh, drugs daw.
Diba?
No nuclear weapons, no fighting, no drugs. Ay, bawal mag-away dito.
Asan po? Saan?
Saan? No smoking, no vaping in this area. Please smoke in the designated smoking area. Wala naman po nagsismoke sa amin. Ay, binago na. Dati may ano dito, painting na malaki. 2023. Ayun na, may party guys. Narinig niyo ba? Narinig niyo ba? Oh! Ay! Ay, lumaki na siya. Wow! Kain! Margarita and margarita, tama ba? Margarita pizza and french fries. And meron tapos ito yung nasa tapat namin, guys. Bawal mag-request eh. Narinig niyo ba ako? Oh my God. Ayan, si Mama Eka. Si Mama Eka.
Sexy ni Mama Ed. Sexy.
Gaganda ng mga kasama ko. Ha? Gaganda ng mga kasama ko.
I saw you running, ooh, little beauty. When you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart. I'm so glad that you're mine. You are another kind, and you need me. What I need you, and together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. 'Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars, girl, you're my all. And I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. With every kiss and every hug, you make
I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominican girls right there on Broadway. Moved me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down H Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow with DK, this from Texas. Me on my big bed stop, home of that boy Biggie. Never the more bills on. And I put my boys with me. Say what up in top. Still sipping my top. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high vibe. I be spiked out, I can trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely
chat, but then you came closer. Hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? The railroad white taking all the room. She like a song played again and again. That girl like something of a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep up. Got me singing like na-na-na every day. It's like my eyeballs like a replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep up. Got me singing like na-na-na every day. It's like my eyeballs like a replay. If I got left away, we lost it all today. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same if I showed you my flaws? If I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I judge your life, man, would you stay by my side? Or did you wanna say goodbye? Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, shawty, would it be alright? Come on, show me what you do. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know would you stick around? If I got left to play, we lost it all today. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Rock with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, no, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you.
Baby, I don't need to love me up to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need to love me up to have fun tonight. I don't need no money. As long as I can feel it. I don't need no money. As long as I keep
Good morning, LU. Lamig. Sarap maligo. lang yun.
Wow, nakarating na mga airport.
Sagada mo, naging kwento to.
Ano mo, next year?
One day lang. Yung ganito lang, yung overnight.
Oo.
Nakasama na yung tour. Ay, di ba kaya yun? One day. Agada. Ganito lang din.
May ganun naman na, 2 days, 1 night. Kain! Kain!
Elmer lang.
We're coming to El Union! Natin na lang sa labas. Backlight journey!
Wow!
Hello, guys.
Malayo-layo to guys ha. Joke lang.
1 hour.
Oo. Diyan lang yan sa gilid. El Union coffee tayo.
Pasaw ka sa akin, SM Iana.
Inom tayo. Tawag dito tayo, dirty. Dirty ano rin. Hindi, tawag yung suso kape, dirty ano. Porachaan.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Parang ganun. Ano siya? May pagka-cinnamon. Parang cinnamon bread. Pag uwi, mabilis ang ligo.
Medyo balki kasi
Ang ina, pasalubong te, nasa Elio ka pala. Nakita niya yung story ni CJ.
Sino yan?
Si Ana. Ay po, yan, alam niya, di ba? Alam niya, hindi tuloy. Alam naman yun, talaga ba? Talaga ba?
Diana?
Alam niyo yun!
Tayo! We are here in Macho Temple.
May mga macho dito. May mga macho dito.
Sino na sa mga macho dyan?
Dati nila.
Chinese temple. Because we're Chinese! Diba? Diyan naman tayo sa temple natin. Macho Temple.
Last muna tayo.
Ano tayo? Nasa grape farm. Pero ba't walang grapes?
We are here
In where? Where?
It's grapes.
Grapes. I can see the grapes. Where is it? Where are those? Ano guys?
Sige ma'am, practice muna kayo.
So free taste daw ng wine. Malalasing.
Ilan po isang po yung alcohol niya? 3 lang po. Ay, kayo po gumagawa niya?
Ano pong alcohol yung nila?
Yung punrado po.
Eh, Linda, sad ka? Sad ka ba? Wala nang grapes. Hindi siya makapag-ano.
Alcohol yan.
Wala pa po nun. Meron po yung may alcohol mo. Ito ah. Ate, usok ka nga ate. Usok ka pa. Usok ka pa. Anong bestseller niya dyan, te? Video to? Oo, te. Mangustin? Blueberry. Yan. Sige na po. Mag-pre-test na po kayo. Yes po. Grapes po.
Grapes yan. Grapes mo daw.
Wala pong alcohol yan, te.
Wala po. Medyo hindi po malamig masyado, ma'am.
Puro po
Brown
yan.
out day po
Puro
sa amin.
haluan na po.
Nawalan kami ng yelo.
Puro na po ba to?
Yes, ma'am.
Puro to? Wait lang.
Teka, one. Ati
Kayo po.
din.
Kaya po, sir.
Sabay ka na.
Tapos susunod po, blueberry po. Ma'am, blueberry. Sarap po pag malamig na malamig po. Pasensya na po.
Ano po yan?
Blueberry po. Basta
Kanina
po.
po.
Grapes po.
May blueberry kayong tanong.
Mulberry lang po, ma'am. Para
Isa pa, shot.
tapos mangustin, ma'am.
Ito, dalawang 150 yan.
Mangustin po. May, nakadami.
Hindi na may asipite.
Talaga,
Yes,
walang mas
ma'am.
mataas.
Mayroon na po.
Meron mga mataas din.
Guyaban po. Sige, tapusin ko muna mo kung apat na ano po, flavor na puro juice po.
Ah, di ba na may alak, te?
Juice lang po.
Grapes pa rin. Iba yung tama ng grapes eh.
Magkano po yung ganyan?
200 lang po.
Hindi, ito ba naman?
Ang guyabano po.
Last na to, te?
Mayroon pa po yung alak.
Ay, alak.
Hindi, wala po alak to.
Wala po. Kasi juice pa lang po mga to.
Wala pala, sige siya.
Pero yung ubas, iba yung tama eh.
14 na po.
40? Ay po, 3%.
Unti lang po.
Ay, may alak pa rin. Pala, 3%.
Onting sobrang onti lang po sa akin. Onti lang po. Okay na po.
Hindi po. Yung bottle.
Nagayan lang.
Ma'am,
Hindi.
try nyo muna yung solo, tapos lagyan natin guyabano.
Ate.
Sige po. Pretest kayo dyan, ma'am.
Pwede. 1, 2, 3.
Sumarunod.
Magkano lang ganito, te?
200 po.
Ma'am, ito po.